TV Everywhere is a great way to get even more value for the networks in your TV package. Entertain the kids when you're in a jam. Or catch live coverage of the sports you love most, even on the go, all from your streaming device. To enjoy your Premier TV channels from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you'll need to create a Watch TV Everywhere account. Don't worry, it's free with your Premier TV package. Go to www.watchtveverywhere.com. Select Premier Communications as your TV provider to register. Enter your Premier account number and the last name listed on your monthly bill. Then, fill out the Watch TV Everywhere new user information and click Submit. Next, check your email for an activation link from Watch TV Everywhere. Click the link to complete the registration process. Now, you can log into Watch TV Everywhere to see a list of networks available to you with your Premier TV package. Just click a channel icon to start watching. Take your shows on the go. Download a network's channel app to access live video, clips, or full episodes from your smartphone or tablet. In the App Store, search for the channel you're interested in and download the app to your device. Find the option to link TV provider or sign in with your TV provider. This is usually found on the main screen of the app or in the menu, but note that every app looks a little different. Choose Premier Communications as your TV provider and enter your email address and Watch TV Everywhere password to watch that network's content anytime, anywhere. Watch TV Everywhere. It's all included in your Premier Communications TV package. To learn more, visit www.mypremieronline.com.